Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. Today I have for you an unboxing. Today I have Kinder Beauty box. Per my usual, I don't know how much it costs. I will put it on the screen. And just as a reminder, there are giveaways going on, or a giveaway going on that has two parts. Those will be linked down below, and there's other information down there if you're interested. So, digging into Kinder Beauty. I open it up, and this is what I see. And it does give you a thing that has all of the information of the products and the prices on them. And then I see this. And the first thing I am pulling out is a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. And it looks like this. And it just looks like that. I really like that packaging. That's really cute. This super mask retails for $17.99. And it uses 100% natural ingredients. It's perfect for sleeping in and hydrating overnight. So that is nice. The next thing I am pulling out is a Sleep Well Mist. And it is by Sensuals, and it retails for $10.63. And it's just a pillow and room mist. I kind of just sprayed that on my face. But it smells good. It's made with natural oils, chamomile, lavender, and it's not too strong of lavender, so that's cool. I like that. And then there are other essential oils in there too that I did not name. The next thing I am pulling out is Matte Manipulation. Fully Fire or Foley Fire lipstick, Full House. It retails, it's Foley Fire, F-O-L-L-Y, and it retails for $15. We know how I feel about matte lipsticks. If you just watched my live, that is really cute packaging though. So I am not going to swatch it. Well, that's really pretty. I actually will swatch it because I will keep that. Let me not break it. That's a really pretty color. I like that. The shade color is Full House. So there is that. It doesn't have any sort of a smell or anything. The next thing I am pulling out is Timeless Organics, and it is an age-defying lotion, and it retails for $19.99. It does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to bust into that, and I can't really smell it through, but I have a lot of lotions that are kind of open right now. I don't want to do that. And then the next thing I am pulling out is a Clay Bright Natural Toothpaste. And it retails for $7.49. This isn't the last thing. There is one more thing in here. And it just smells like a mint toothpaste. Wow, it does have a safety seal on it, and I can smell that through the safety seal. It's a nice mint. Okay. And then we also get a bamboo toothbrush. So that is cool. We actually do change our toothbrushes out every 3 months. And I'm kind of weird in the fact that every time we vacation, I will take a toothbrush specifically for vacation, and then when I'm done with vacation, I throw it away. Because I don't like, after they've been taken out of the package, I don't like to pack them in my suitcase. It's weird. But this is kind of neat. It is a bamboo toothbrush, and it's actually made out of bamboo, like that is wood. I wonder how over time that goes in your mouth. Like, wood in your mouth? I don't know. That's cool. Okay, I will keep it and I will use it. That's interesting. Okay, you guys, so that was Kinder Beauty. Let's just recap real quick because I know that I messed up a little bit earlier. So, and this toothbrush is vegan and cruelty-free. So the bamboo toothbrush retails for $3.80. The lipstick retails for $15. The toothpaste retails for $7.49. The lotion retails for $19.99. The Sleep Well Mist retails for $10.63, and the sleeping mask retails for $17.99. Overall, I think this is a good box. I do think it's worth the price for everything that you get. And I will keep, I think I'm keeping everything. Yep, I'm actually keeping everything and not passing anything along. So that was a good box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.